Hello guys, welcome to my page or channel. Today I would like to share with you my new pattern with beads. It will be perfect for trim or to create earring or adorable bracelet for leg or hand, or just for headband. For work you need a ball of yarn, crochet hook, seed beads or just beads. Let's get started crocheting from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 15. Make a chain 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till you will get the foundation chain made of 15 chains. I have done 15 chains. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Now I show you how to crochet double crochet. Make a chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook and make double crochet. I draw beads and before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. I need 10 beads. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I thread such 10 beads and make chain with beads or seed beads. Pull up the working loop. I take my 10 beads and pull it through. Before it I remove my crochet hook. I pull like this. So my big chain with 10 beads is ready. Pull like this. Here how my chain look like. Here how it looks. After I'm done my chain, continue. I insert the hook like this. I insert the hook into the top of the stitch and make a chain. Yarn over the hook. Make double crochet into the next chain stitch. You can crochet single crochet, half double crochet and make this chain on the top of the any stitch. Then I continue working with double crochet into the next chain stitch. Pull up the working loop. Count 10 beads. I remove my working loop. Draw seed beads. Let's count 10 beads. After I threaded 10 beads or seed beads and I put my 10 beads and pull it through like this and pull a little bit. So I pull my working loop. My chain with 10 beads is ready. Pull a little bit and my 2 chains are ready. Here how they look like. Then I continue the work. I insert the hook into the top of the stitch take the working yarn, pull it through, then yarn over the hook, make double crochet into the next chain stitch, and double crochet into the next chain stitch. Pull up the working loop, draw 10 beads, and take such 10 beads, pull it through. So continue working in this way till the end of this row, or till you reach your length. My trim is ready. Here how it looks. It is adorable and in the same time unique trim. Let's look at the back side. This is double-sided trim. I'm using green color of yarn because it's my favorite color, but you can choose your favorite. Also, I remind you, you can make such trim with seed beads. Here how it looks. The number of beads or seed beads you determine by yourself. In this case, I used 10 beads. Here, I did it with 8 seed beads. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel and don't miss new video. Thank you so much for watching, and of course crochet with me and learn more.